This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Taylor DeMario. Two-story gorgeous home with over $60,000 of recent upgrades. The saltwater in-ground pool is low maintenance, absolutely gorgeous, and perfect for those hot summer days. Newly resurfaced concrete surround makes it easy to suntan by the pool, or grill out and hang. The covered outdoor patio creates ample shade for morning coffee or watching friends and family play in the water, all while relaxing yourself. Inside, the home includes 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths and 2 half baths. You will find a newly created custom man cave just off of the outdoor pool area, but also accessible from the house, featuring all-new wet bar with granite countertops and bathroom. This area can also be used as additional living quarters if needed. The kitchen is a chef's dream with custom cabinets, oversized island, and ample space for cooking. Home has brand new interior paint on the entire first level, newly refinished hardwood floors on main level, plantation shutters on windows, front window shutters to be installed soon, back deck to be refinished in June, new HVAC units, 2017 and 2019, new silent garage door openers, additional parking addition to the left of the driveway, new professional landscaping and more. Just minutes from local schools, shopping, and restaurants. Professional photos coming soon. For more information, review the details below or contact Taylor DeMario at 865-693-1111.